Hi, it's Heather. Sorry, it's been a while. I just thought I would show you this bird's nest spruce I've been working on. Um, so bird's nest spruce are, they're pretty common in a lot of places for foundation plantings or specimen plants in beds like this one. Um, And they grow really well all by themselves for a long time. And then sometimes, just all of a sudden, they kind of start not doing well. And anyway, so this guy, I mean, it's fine. It had a lot of dead in it. Um, so I did a little bit of pruning. So, really, these plants, we want to treat these just like any tree. So we want to see if we can see the inside a little bit. So we want to create, definite scaffold branches, and so rather than having tons of laterals, we want to have kind of a set number as we go up, and then more tertiary branches that come off of those laterals. So anyway, we basically what we want to do is keep all the branches growing as kind of horizontal as we can, because that's going to give light and air a place to get in, as well as room to let the old needles fall through. So that was a problem with this one. It was just full of old needles, and so when we get too many of those, they can get wet, they can sit on the wood, and just kind of start, kind of decomposing, and we don't want things decomposing on the wood of a branch. So kind of just every couple of years, it would be good to prune these guys. These guys, their branches grow in kind of almost like a fan shape. So if you think about it, just kind of look for what grows either to the inside of the plant, straight up, or straight down off of a branch. And that can give you a good start. So rather than letting it build up for years and years and years and years, just every couple of years, doing a little bit of maintenance pruning on these guys will keep them looking good and in the same place for a really long time. So anyway, hey, tell people about this page or channel, and subscribe, ask me questions. I'd love to know what you're thinking about plants and how to take care of them. So anyway, hopefully I'll talk to you soon. If not, have a great holiday. Bye.